I'm gonna throw it like a football. I'm just gonna do it. I got plenty of throw. Throws are even. I fixed the control horn that broke yesterday. All right, let's just do it. It's got good thrust, even though it's an old school mad thrust. All right, ready? Okay, let's do this. Let's hopefully get it flying. Yeah. Oh, still nose heavy. Still nose heavy, but I got it. I saved it, man. Oh. It is nose heavy. Let me get some altitude. I gave it 6 clicks. Wow. Look at this. It's flying. It flies good. It was a difficult hand launch, but all right, let me see if I can. I give it a little bit more. Up. I am very confident releasing this. I just need it to be a little bit more tail heavy. I can't see in the sun right now. All right. It flies great. Wow, when it has a better power unit in here, this is not a great power unit. I mean, this thing is like 10 years old. It's not efficient. I'm like holding 20% up right now. Flies good. It's all right. I think it's dying. Let me bring it in. I killed this battery. I killed it. But it flies. Wow. Okay. This is a lot to take in right now. It definitely flies. That was a hairy hand launch. But I'm super excited. So the canopy is heavy. I printed it by accident with 2 walls and 10 infill. So that's double the weight that it needs to be. I should add more weight to the rear, but I can't currently. The way that I'm set up here at the field, I don't have any hot glue. I literally killed this battery. I may never be able to use it again. 3.25. All right, let me see if I can get this battery shoved back like really far in here. Like I'm almost like in the intake. I'm gonna just push it as hard as I can back. All right, that's good. And what else am I gonna do? I'm gonna bring the receiver all the way back. The ESC all the way back. Shove it. Like really shove it in there. I want to get another flight on this guy. I want to trim it and see how it flies once it's like I don't have to hold up trim. All right, so now our CG is, how close are we to this brake? We are a 1/2 inch from the brake. So that's good. I moved the CG back pretty substantially. Hopefully, the plane is wet. I don't know how lightweight PLA does with, I think it should be fine, it's plastic. but I don't know how porous it is. I'm going to maybe get my sunglasses. I don't know. I know I'm fine. I'm just gonna get this flight in real quick. All right, let's do this. Let's make sure our control surfaces are good. They're good. All right, let's just do it again. It was so hairy on the last one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this twice. It's almost like I'm going to be too lucky to throw it twice and get 2 flights. All right, ready? And oh, so close, so close. Oh, so close. Now I have to review the tape. Did I go too far with the CG, or did I keep my that's pretty trash, this one. All right. Well, I got 1 flight out of it. It is difficult to hand launch with a underpowered power unit for sure. I have to review that tape. I have to see what exactly happened there. It's waterlogged, so it's getting heavy. And on top of that, the battery is really sucking up the intake. I need to push the EDF back further in this thing, another inch, and that'll help with battery, or maybe 2 inches. I'll actually probably all the way in the back if I can do that. And then we will I'm definitely going to get this thing working for you guys and get it out there.